Sony 8K conveys the beauty of an image like never before. By referencing its unique 8K database, it performs optimized ultra-high-definition image processing. All your contents are upscaled in 8K quality detail. High-intensity, independently controlled LED modules provide precise control from the deepest shadow to the brightest light. Energy use is intelligently allocated across the LED modules, boosting the brightest parts of the image and also creating even deeper blacks. Even high-speed movement is clear without blur as it maintains optimal brightness. Picture Processor X1 Ultimate. It brings home ultimate realism. Colors stay bright and true even when viewed from an angle. Sound from the center of the screen in perfect alignment with the images themselves. Creator's intent. Sony brings the creator's vision into your home, so nothing comes between you and their story. Sony brings you the ultimate viewing experience.
Samsung QLED 8K brings perfect reality into your home. Just as a master art restorer revitalizes a painting's depth, subtle details, textures and colors. The massive screen with over 33 million pixels displays truly mesmerizing details, rich color and profound depth. Launching a new era of resolution 4 times higher than 4K UHD, QLED 8K transforms flat images into a deeper experience. So immersive, you'll think you're actually there. To uncover hidden details, the expert makes full use of modern technologies when restoring a masterpiece. Thanks to QHDR 8K, no matter how bright or dark the picture, you won't even miss the subtle details. QLED 8K's brilliant brightness and deep bold contrast reveal extraordinarily realistic images, just as the director intended. At its core, art restoration is rediscovering the original beauty of a masterpiece. Similarly, with 8K AI upscaling on QLED 8K, your favorite content comes to life. With formulas created through machine learning processing millions of data, Samsung QLED 8K intelligently analyzes the content and recognizes the details. Then each scene is refined into incredible 8K perfection with stunning detail and depth. A master artisan's creation is fueled by relentless study, extensive knowledge, and countless hours of practice. Quantum Processor 8K integrated with Samsung's superior semiconductor technology not only intelligently optimizes picture quality and sound, but also automatically recommends content by learning your viewing patterns. It truly offers a viewing experience of your very own. Turn what you love into 8K. Perfect reality.